Right. Now, for the recording on general ledger transaction and the journal entry, click on accounts. Under the accounts, record journal entry option. Now, sorry? Yes, okay. Right? Students are seeking a recording, no, not studying. Right, anyway. GA, look at the recording. Okay, no? Recording, no? Screen sharing and recording, no? Right. Right. Then go to the journal entry date, last day of the month for the monthly journal entry, April 30th. The memo number accrued April 2023, like this. Right. Then click on accounts. What is the double entry on accrued stationery? Which account debit? Stationery expense account debit. Which account credit? Debit on your P&L expenses, stationery, postage, postage. There's no separate stationery account, no? No. Select postage. Amount 5,000. Debit. No specific job to allocate on this project stationery, then you can allocate. Memo number GL001. Whether this provision applicable on VAT, then select the VAT. Otherwise, zero. Normally, postage applicable. No. Next one, common accrued account under the liability. Accrued account. Please tell the number. Under the not accrued electricity. This is a common accrual account. No, not common accrued account. No. Yes, account. Which now? Number 2000. In my case, no. Okay, anyway, you select this common accrued account. I select this here. This is actually wrong, not electricity accrued. Separately, you have a common accrued account. The student not created by the common accrued account. I take the one. Later, I can change. Okay. Use this account. Credit on 5,000. Then applicable on VAT. Okay, record. Now I change. Look at the changing method. Now I click account list under the expense. Sorry, under the liability. No, under the liability. Select this account. I edit. Edit. Name, not electricity accrued, accrued. The accrued expense. Now okay. Look at it. Accrued expense. Now 5,000 recorded under the accrued. Next one. Advertising expenses 15,000. Record. Go to the journal entry. Number 2, same date. Advertising accrued 04 2023. Debit to advertising account under the expense category. Advertising. Tell me the number. Okay, advertising 15,000. Memo GL002. Credit to common accrued account under the liability. Accrued expenses. Not 17,000. Here 15,000. Because second one applied getting on the with VAT, without VAT. Then select 18%. Now like complete the balance transaction. All accrued are recorded on that way. But in the practically company recorded all transactions are in one journal ledger. No? But that in the exam transactions are given in different place. The different days. Maybe the even now the kepala journal ledger ka dala. Exam में भी करना है. Third one, legal and professional accrued. And signed by all. Anyone have the card? Yes, yeah. Don't type all in the memo, in brief, in the short talk. Actually, we are not searching the unnecessary details from your exam. Shouldn't you try to manage your time in the final exam? Don't be trying the unnecessary details, especially customer supply unit details. Try to manage the details. You don't find the unnecessary details. When I teach in the class, what are the given details just to type? Okay. Right. Balance transaction can be recorded at your home. Then go to the prepayment. Yes. Yes. What the prepayment cost? Please check. Before click on record, look at the your difference should be zero. Otherwise, one item taken on the VAT and other line taken on the non-VAT. There's a difference. Even this is recorded in your journal with the difference. Actually, I have read the now. They get difference. No. වෙනවා තියෙනවා බලමු කරන්න වැට් වැට් නම් වැට් වැට් non වැට් නම් non වැට් එක එකවර වැට්ටා ඒක non වැට් තුනක් ඔය යල්ලේ බැරි වෙන්නේ නැහැ ඒක කොච්චර ගන්නද වැට් එක දැන් අපි දු ඉලෙක්ට්‍රික් වලට අපි වැට් එක දුවන්න පුළුවන් බැහැ නේ Ya, වැට්ට නොවැට්ට කියන්නේ අන්න එක මොකද කියන්නේ? මම ඔයගොල්ලන් ගන්න සිස්ටම් වලින් යනවද කියලා මේ සිස්ටම් එකේ යන්නේ නැහැ. එහෙම සිස්ටම් අතර තියෙන්න පුළුවන්. වැට් ලයබල් අයිටම් එකක් වුණාම මේක දැම්මම එන්න පුළුවන්. ඒක මම නෑනේ තව මේ සිස්ටම් එකේ දාන්න බැහැ. ඕනේ නේද ඔයගොල්ලන්? සද්ද. අයින්නේ ඔයගොල්ලන්. මේක හදන්න පුළුවන් ඕන. අයිටම් එක සිලෙක්ට් කරලා non වැට් නම් සිලෙක්ට් කරගන්න පුළුවන්. වැට් නම් සිලෙක්ට් කරලා ගන්න පුළුවන්. ඒක සෙටින් එකක්. ඒක තමයි ඊළඟට වෙනස්කම තියෙන්නේ. ඒක මේක වැට් කරනවා නම් ඉතින් අපි එනිවේ කියනකොනේ. Right, go to the prepayment journal entry. Yes. Given the how to record the prepayment? What's the debit entry? For Nisal? Nisal? And you click on here journal option. Student journal, then display the journal entries. බලන් ඉන්නේ මම විතරක් කරනවා. Display the journal entries. In the exam paper, we will test out on this report. Only I record the two entries that will be displayed in your journal. And record the prepayment. Yes, textbook what's the name? Clearance. Yes. Then how to record the prepayment? Debit to prepayment account debit, credit, cash or bank. But you can record it like crediting on the expense account. Can. But real prepayment actually there is to that again. Record debit to stop this transaction. Go to the next one. Section by section complete. debit to prepayment account. Give the name in the memo, electricity prepayment, water prepayment, like this. Credit to the cash flow bank account. How about your project activity? Don't know, huh? Still you are not discussing your project activity, sir. Cannot complete the project successfully on the given day. I am not permitted to support the exam for the entire group. But some go to here review after here. Some journal entries can't edit it in this software. Actually, Sage and others can. Can't edit it here. Can't edit. Not can delete. Uh, Go to the journal entry. No, delete option එක දෙන්න එතනින් නේද? Go to the list කියන එක යන්න බලන්න පුතා. එන්න අපිට delete දෙන්නේ නැහැ journal entry එක. Not given. එන්න. බලන්න පොඩ්ඩක් ආයි බලන්න. මෙතනින් දෙනවා delete කරන්න. Student, if you want any mistakes, go to the journal section in the reports, journal section, click on this arrow, right? Then go to the edit option. Then go to the clear option, no delete journal transaction. Yes, Buddha? Well, recording of the journal entry. Complete the prepayment. Right. Next one. Prepaid, okay. Very important one. recording on recurrent expenses. Recurrent expenses and recurrent income. What do you mean by recurrent? This transaction, this expenses, look at the example, insurance rate. Continuously, this transaction happens on the company by weekly, monthly, quarterly, like this transaction. Right. We'll record it on this transaction. Recurrent expenses. Right. Insurance recurrent. 15,000 recurrent number from Sampath Bank. Go to the banking, spend money, okay, then select the Sampath Bank, your main bank. If you are paying for the supplier recurrent payment, you select here supplier payment. Now I type here the payment rent. Okay, then give the check number for the first month like 800, 500. Change the month, year 23, month of April, sorry, 30th. No, not 30th. What is the date? 15th. April 15th. In each month. Right. Okay. Then click on here, account list. Select the rent expense. Under the expense, rent expense. Rent. Okay. Use this account. Amount 15,000. Whether this is applicable or not. Then what is the credit entry? Credit entry. No. Automatically credit from your Sampath Bank. Right. Then click on amount tab. Then different. Okay. Got this point, student? This is called actually general expense payment. Listen very carefully. That type of transaction we will allocate by the more than 3-4 marks from your exam. It will differ. Then from the general payment, in addition to that, we click on the continuation of this payment. Recurrent. Save recurrent. Right. Give the name. What's the name? Rent payment. Rent payment. Clear? Then frequently, look at here. There are different frequently. Monthly, weekly, semi-annually, and any kind of recurrent you can record. Your company normally prepared on the accounts on the monthly basis, no? Then select monthly. What is the date? 15 of each month, this transaction will be reminded by the system. Save as template. Okay? Then record. We did two things. First, we record the first month recurrent and also save the template. Right. Now we'll first review this transaction. Financial statement, where this transaction record under the P&A, profit and loss. 23. Rent council, here. Actually not 15,000. That portion removed that. 12,000. That portion removed. Then what is that? Month of May. Let's post it. Let's post. May consider them. Yeah, run with it. May what thinking. Yeah, question and answer. Right. I think 12 times only very anything. Check number got the 12 times other pay करेंगे. Only we pay for it. मतलब only record 12,000 and balance that portion recorded to the fact. Good. Then go to the next. अनुमान करने बैठे. Next go to the right. Again go to the spend money. Spend money. දැන් අහගෙන ඉන්න. පස්සේ බලන්න. ඕන එකක් ගහන්න. Spend money. Go. Again. Continue. Sampath Bank. Again rent. Okay. Right. Then click on here. Use recurrent in. Now the recurrent expense schedules recorded. Select here. Okay. Edit करना पूरा. Can edit. Then change the month. Not 15. So April. Month of May. Now okay. Now change the date. In the next, actually in the live system, this is not a live system. No, we take for the last year. In the live system, 15th April morning, system will indicate today you have to be past the rent expense 15,000. Right. Then look at the screen. Record. Right? Close, cancel. Go to the reports, accounts, then go to the profit and loss display, change the period. Now you got this. Each month, actually not record by 12 months. Month by month, open the template and record in the transaction. Clear? Client හරියට කවුස් කරලා තියෙනවද කියලා අපි සර්ච් කරන්න. මේක තමයි ඔඩිටර්ගේ responsibility. මේ report වල customize කරලා monthly බලන්න. දැන් ජූන් වල දානකොට ආයි ජූන් අපි දාන්නේ. එයා ජූන් එකේ මොකද කරන්නේ? මේක pop up කරනවා. morning 15. අපි කරන්නේ assistant accountant කවුරු හරි මේ කියන්නේ මේ payment එක system එකට report කරනවා. Well, සමහර සිස්ටම් වල මෙයාගේ සේජ් එකේදී 12 month එක රෙකෝඩ් කරන්න පුළුවන්. මේ රෙකෝඩ් කරලා මේක තියෙනවා. මේක ගන්න මේක. හරි. 12 months वक्त में पेमेंट कराने हैं 12 तरीके का अभी रिकॉर्ड करना for a 12 month but month by month you have to be paid for that but sage is different like from Myopic because the sage will not be provided the facilities to the user the real way actually the sage perfect the sage will not allow it to the user to enter the check number because of check number will be determined month by month. So first given an opportunity to the accountant to record the 12-month transaction, then the month by month you have to be open the payment voucher and settle the system will record the accounting transaction for it. There are some differences in the software. Recurrent payment. Go to the next transaction. Insurance recurrent. Spend money, insurance, right? Insurance for the first month. Accounts, insurance. Insurance, 3380. Amount, how much? Student, tell me the amount. Both 15,000. Then put the 12,000. Right? Complete. Not difficult. Then click on here, amount and tab. First, like a general payment. Then click on here, say, look at it. In this stage, use return is not activated. Only activated by the save return. Give the name. Insurance monthly 15. Save as template. Then record. Go to the register bank accounting, reports, accounts, profit and loss. For the month of April. Insurance. If you want to drill down this account, select and double click. No, not double, single click. Then open the your original source document. Report again, drill down the drill down means from the report to go to the source document. There are 2 drill down stages are there. Okay. To recurrent entry. Your project also you have to be part of different types of recurrent entry. Maybe 3 recurrent entry. Then next section. General receipts and general payment. අපි දැන් income recurrent එක. Income recurrent income of recurrent වෙන්න පුළුවන් නේ. Yes, no? किसी में का क्लाइंट सिस्टम में का चेंज कर देना है මෙතන double click කරලා arrow එකේ system එකට ගියා record එක. හැබැයි trial එකේ record වෙනවා. Detailed transaction reports වල. Because of that, that will be provide the reasonable assurance in the entity, those who are not amended and edited by the transaction by the ad hoc basis. You have to be get the permission from the top level people to edit and delete. Actually, not given a delete option in the live system. This is actually the online system. If you give only provisions having the top level people. System administrator, chief financial control, limited sections. Next, interest received. අපි recurrent කළාම record කරමු. මොන්න වල interest එක general interest received and the recurrent income. Right. Go to the under the banking module, receive money module. There are two receive money. Look at here. Under the sales, receive payment. From whom? Customer. Under the purchase, bill pay to the supplier. Under the banking, bill pay for the other payment. Sorry. Yes. Spend money, bill payment. Receive money being other income. Not actually other income. All income can take. Look at it. Even in the payers, the payer mean a customer can collect. But there are specific sections available to recording the transaction for a specific section. Right. Look at it. If you click on here, payer, open by the customer and supplier both. Okay. Now I type here. Right. My collection bank, Sampat. Okay. Then go to the pay method, check or cash. Cash or check, yeah? Both can. Memo, interest. Give the check number, receipt number here. Date 23 month of April. When this transaction on 1st April. Right. Click on this account. Where are our interest income? Where? Other income. Only studied by me. Interest income under the other income section. Then amount, how much? Amount. Tell me. 26,000. Actually, interest income not liable to VAT, but it is liable to withholding tax. You know that, no? Withholding tax liable, but not liable to VAT. Then click on amount and tab. Right? Can select by the cash. Because of the, we don't have a bank. What is the double entry? Actually, this is debited to my bank account, credited to here. Sometimes this account are asked to set on the cash custom. Can set on here record. Sorry. Don't record. Don't. Then you go to the here save recurring function. You go to the save recurrent. Then change the name is there of interest of monthly, then first April. Then save template. Save template. First template. Save template. Then I got. I did on one time receipt, you did for the future. Future receipt means in the template. In the each month bank given on the actually bank if you have a fixed deposit, amount of interest fixed. If you have a saving account, amount may be different. Because your time you deposit and withdraw, then change the amount. Try to record the next transaction. Loan taken. Return to transport. Or we get it. Right. How to record the loan taken? Given again, not practical transaction. Loan taken, dash it up. We use it here. Use it use there. Music account is there. अभी हम बैंक क्या होता है बीओसी में will set on the different bank student right how to set on the bank account on balance accounts account list asset right now you look at the inventory is there cash on hand Sampak current account is there in my case now I create the HND current account look at student new on a number 2710 mana 27112 new detail check account 27112 already you have no I create the new one then I type HNB current account clear HNB current right if you have opening balance can enter here student in the exam some asset liability equity account can record it from at the time of accounts creation by opening no matter right in my case now HNB current account is there change your tutorial not BOC account HNB account HNB right now tell me how to record on this loan taken practical transaction even tell me how to record on this loan taken which account yes sir bank debit which bank current account debit very correct which liability loan under the long term liability it can be loan account. Create the new account. HNB loan. और transaction तो मैं exam में किस दिन है? पोटी और दिन. Right. Create again account list under the liability. Non-current liability. मेरी loan का तीन नाम आगे है. मैं create करूँ HNB loan 1110 1110 new detail 1110 HNB loan. Click OK. Now HNB loan account is there. Right. Then where we record this transaction? Given the where? In the banking module. Tell me. Spend money or receive money? Receive money module. Now click on my drop down. Select now current account on HNB. Use this account. Now debited to my current account. Give the memo HNB loan. Give the check number here. Date of receipt on loan. Actually, bank not given the cash on hand, credited to your current account. 2nd April. Right. Then credit to your new liability account HNB loan. HNB loan. Right, Puta? Use this account. Amount of receipts? 500,000. Not liable tax, eh? Click on amount received and tab. Why don't you record? Record it, record it. Right. Then save, record this transaction. Complete. Now debited to your HNB account, current account, and credited to your loan account. We'll see. Correctly recorded. You can review the transaction. Go to the transaction journal. Not journal, no. Receipts, HNB current account, debit, loan account, credit. Right? Right. I got another one more transaction in receipts and payment. Next one, dividend in rent income, dividend income. Like one receipts and one payment. Right? Right. Complete. Now We will go to the other important transaction by recording the memorized journal entry. What do you mean by memorized journal entry? That memorized journal entry used for the recording on fixed asset depreciation. Will take on the only for a few assets, but in your company having more than 100 200 fixed assets. For the first time, we record like a template, and after that, recording like a straight line basis or the reducing balance method continuously can record by the entire transaction, entire depreciation in one shot. Right. Read the detail. SAP Cricket Club decided to create memorized journal entry guideline depreciation for the month. GL number DEP is 10 will put 04. 04 means April. Right. These are the details. Right. First, go to the accounting, record journal entry. Automatically create the journal entry number, recording on the last day or 25th or some any day. Type here memo, asset, depreciation, dash 04. Change month by month. Right. Now, record done, first debited done, asset depreciation account in the expense. First one, depreciation on building. Tell me the amount, student. 8,000. Normally lands are not depreciated. You know the accounting standard no? Can amortize. Non-tax, not applicable on VAT. Then debited on depreciation on furniture and equipment amount. Next, debit on depreciation on storeroom equipment amount 7,000. Next one, depreciation on ground equipment amount. Right. Last one 50. Similarly, asset classes you have to be debited individually, for the first time. Then next row, credited to your accumulated very correctly, not building cost account, accumulated depreciation on building 8,000. Then next one, furniture, office furniture accumulated 10,000. Accumulated depreciation storeroom equipment 7,000. Last one, ground equipment. Done. Complete. Non-tax, eh? Depreciation and loss liable to it. Complete all? Only transaction recorded in the first month. Then they are allowed to be used. Let's say if your company has more than 30, 40 liquid fixed assets, first record, then use this journal entry given to others to only this journal. Is that okay? Right. Then click on save recurrent in. Save recurrent in. Save. Save recurrent in. Asset depreciation for monthly in each month 30th or 31st. Save as template. Then click record. Right? Cancel. Go to the reports, accounts, profit and loss, display. Now you look at here, depreciation now record for this month. So, try to record this depreciation for the next month. Now gradually update your P&L. In your case, all the items are filled. This is output report, one output report. When the paper margin, we will run the report. Transaction report, P&L, balance sheet, sales, purchase, inventory, journals. Use figure in India, like what kind of transaction? Amount example like अभी तुम एक asset का disposal करा, अन्य तुम limit करा, एक asset का addition करा, fixed asset का, अभी addition तो fixed asset किया, एक month of May वाला आओ, ये asset का depreciate करा मतलब edit करना जाना लगे, edit ये option नहीं जाना, मेरे useful लेने गुड़ा कैसे चीज़ होता है, right? Not complete all. I complete the software up to the exam requirement. What are the things you have to be asked of me before moving to the project activity? Not complete the class, project activity. Before moving to the project activity, further I will discuss a little bit your exam paper, not paper. The way of facing the paper. Student, there is a different way and options to face for your exam. Like when I getting the paper by you, you can do the very different way. Example. First you can go to the company and create the new company as we did in the this class. But in that particular day, I told to you, there is another option called the sample business type. Remember that? Don't confuse with this point. Because of that, shall we start that section? You check whether this method is your other method. Right. We'll for the taking on the 10 minutes. Right. Student, first you go to the main window. Alright, before that, what are the sections you have to be studied? Actually, search, look at just after complete your paper. At the end of your paper, you can decide you are getting the A plus, A, B plus, B, C plus or fail. You decide. How to decide? Go to the in each section. There is a report called transaction journal. Click on transaction journal. Right. Let's say in the paper there is a 10 journal entry. Only I record 3 journal entry. It is very clear now. There is a 10 purchase order. Only I create 1. Because of this company actually not used by the before last week. No. Look at it. Each section you decide. Right. How many sales entries? How many inventory entries? How many disbursement, withdrawal, payment? The one way you check your paper marks by yourself, and also you go to the reports, accounts. First you run the general trial balance. Trial balance. Run the trial balance display and customize for your period, month of April, May, June, like this, according to the paper financial month period. Then easily you can compare this detail with your paper detail. Don't take the unnecessary time. Roughly you check. Especially you check your total amount. Clear? Then next one, your balance sheet. The given details are recorded in your balance sheet. The marks will be allocated normally by 10 marks. For entire amounts are correct, allocated for a 10 marks. And P&L. Entire amounts are correct in your PN, normally allocated by 15 marks. This is the way actually we mark the paper. If you are recording 70%, maybe 12 marks. If you are recording on 50%, like 7, 8 marks. What is called proportionate pages, we evaluate the student performance. These are the major reports checked by the paper. Then Student, look at your audit trial. Your audit trial. How you get the audit trial? Go to the accounts, account transaction accrual. The cash base is also there. What are cash transaction? You got it? Account transaction in cash. Like this. These are the major important reports. You practice this report accrual. All the transactions are recorded on here. Whether you correctly recorded, wrong and you pass the reversal entries, are recorded. Based on that, mark will be allocated. And better, from the beginning I told you, very easy to earn the mark by continuous assessment. Because of that continuous assessment means from the week number 2 to week number 6 or 7, I continuously report the transaction with me. Then two transactions are given in the week number 7 and take your back of 5. 25 marks. In the balance 25 marks, very easy to earn with the group activity. Really, in the final exam, it will be tough. So you have to be complete your project successfully. Get maximum marks, more than 20, 22 marks. If you did doing well, definitely I will allocate. Some students are getting 25 marks based on their transaction nature. Each and every section. Yesterday I told you, in the transaction, there are two things, actually three things, right? Purchase order process, sales order process, and general ledger transaction. Three sections. In the purchase order process, there is a supply. Okay. How many suppliers you select? 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, for maximum 5 enough. We can select 4 enough. Then in the PO, purchase order process, the first step for this, let's say if you select for the 3 supplier, first supplier PO1, PO2, second supplier PO3, PO, okay. PO supplier 3, PO 5 and 6. Then This POGR. What is called? In some GR in some orders having a backward. Not all, some POs. In some POs having a return. What is called? Not all. Next, not all orders. Some majority of the orders you settle by payment. But this one, you decide on that. In the first week, you go to create the PO. Right? Second week, you go for the GR. Then last week, go for the payment. Payment means no bill. The transactions are ordered. But this one, finished. Prepare a small Excel sheet today night and distribute it to the member. One student create the 2 PO, 2 GR, and 2 payments like this. And give it to the second one like this. Similarly here, supply customer 12405. Sales order, invoice, back order, return, receive money. Week 1, week 2, week 3, week 4. Given to the one student, one customer. Create the 2 sales orders. SO1, SO2. Yeah. Doing by all, not by the one person. Not one man show. If you're doing a one man show, only that will pass. We can even do it. I can only take as a passing. We can examine the pass one. Next. Today I did general payment. Water, electricity. Even in the small petty cash, traveling, donation, charity. Pay maximum of 6 payment. One student, one pay. Equally distributed. Then general receipts. Maximum of 4. Interest, dividend, rate. Then recurrent receipts and payment. Recurrent receipts and payment. Just not this one. Maximum is 4 enough. 2 from income, 2 from expenses. That is reasonable. Okay, on the transaction. Next one. Memorize journal entries. Okay, click on the transaction. Memorize it. It's very clear. First, you prepare Excel sheet by the period and distribute. You put the name, remarks under remarks. What's your name? Abhinay. Responsible on that. Abhinay. Abhinay. Like this. And the second one, what's your name? Chamika. Chamika is all complete. And someone not participated your activity, please give it to me. Not allocate a phone. Now even all of you are paying the money and all of you are getting a degree. Project. Now, okay, when I go to the previous discussion, There is a different option available to create company. Anyhow, to practice to anyhow, within 1 hour, you have to be complete the first section. Otherwise, you are not coming to the getting on the pass. What's the first step? Up to the limit. It's not 1 hour in practice to one and two hours in transaction. Right? One of company creation, setting asset, liability, equity, income, expense, right? Then customer supply inventory, then balances, then integration. Okay, उदाहरण shortcut method not familiar. If you are not confident, go do this method to follow the as it is we discussed in the We'll start. කියලා මොකද පාට කරන්න එපා. මොකද ළමයි දෙන්නේ එළගෙන මම කෝල් කරනවා. Right. Right. Then first click on file. Exit කරනවා exit. No session report. Okay. On exit tool. Right? Then start. Log your username and password. In the project, students, you have to be prepared your project report by the system by using the leader cam number. Report, you have to be mentioned your cam number. I review your detail from system. Okay. Right. Okay. Create. Next. Company name. Test. 1, 2, 3, 4. Right? Later you fill this detail. Next. 24. Different month June. Sorry, last month March. Conversion month July game. Okay. Employee convert to a month. Next. Conversion month July. Period burn April to March. In between this period, convert the system. Is that okay? Next. Here point. Select the option that most of you need. I would like to start one of the list provided by Mayo. Understood? Then the list of account will be provided. Then click next. Select here whether this paper, whether this paper content on manufacturing, retail, service, or whatever the type. Most probably given in the manufacturing type. Manufacturing. Better to take the screenshot by your phone, your computer, not by my one. Right. Then click on next. Change. Select the data folder. Test 1, 2, 3, 4. Under the data folder, then save. Next. Command center. Complete. Look at the company name. Test 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, then you look at this company detail. Accounts. Account list. All ledger accounts are with the integration. But Here's some problem, eh? Kata mummy ke kiyala dena එක පාරට. Based on your paper, you have to be edit account ID and account. Got this one? Paper එක දිහා බලලා edit කරන්න ඕනේ account name එක. Almost same one is same. ID. Select first account, go edit. Select second account, go edit. You decide between the easy first one, no second. මෙතන තියෙන වාසිය තමයි ඒ ඉන්ටිග්‍රේටඩ් නේ බලන්න. අපේ බලන්න Thank you, sir. Integrated all accounts. Go to the setup, link account, account and banking. මොකද ඔයා කරන්න ඕන? Already integrated. Accounts, setup, link account, save. Got this point? Automatically integrated. Yeah? Automatically integrated again? Integrated. දැන් අපි manual integrate කරන්න class එකේ දැන් හිතන්නද automatically integrate කරනවා. number එක edit කරන්න මේකත් edit වෙලා. අපි වාද ගන්න නම් වැරද්ද ලොක් කරන මෙයා ගන්න කොහෙන්ද වගේ කියලා. හරි? මොකද edit කරන්නේ අපි create කරනවා. අර මේකේ පොඩක් time saving නේද? Computer making an මේක වෙනස තමයි ඕම් chart එකකට අපි දාන්නේ. දැන් මේක sample chart එක. මේක sample chart එක. අපි මේක easy. ඒක ඔය වෙන්නේ. ඕනනම් කරන්න පුළුවන් ඒක වැඩක් තියෙනවා. ඒක ඔස්සේ ඔක්කොම මොනවද කියලා පිටිපස්සේ යනවා. සමහරවිට පන්සියෝ ICF පන්සියෝ ඉතින් කියන්නේ අවශ්‍යයි. ඒකට බැලන්සස් නැත්තම් රිපෝට් වල view කරන්නේ. මේකේදී ඉන්දියන් පරිසම කරනවා. මම මේක උගන්වන්න නැති ක්ලාස් එකේ ඉඳලා දිනන. ගැන්නෝ කියලා උගන්වනවා නම් මේ වෙලාවට එඩිට් කරන්න ඕන. එඩිට් කරනවා දෙනවා ඔයගොල්ලෝ මෙහෙම වෙලාවට එඩිට් කරගන්න කියලා. ඉච්ඡායම වෙමුත්තම මේ මෙතඩ් එක ටයිප් ചെയ്യും. කොහොමද මේක ඉන්ටිග්‍රේට් කරන්නේ? මේක වැඩේදී එක්ස්පීරියන්ස් එකක් ගන්න මෙතන. මේ මෙතඩ් ප්‍රොජෙක්ට් එක නම් මේක තමයි. ප්‍රොජෙක්ට් එක කලබල නැහැ. මම පහදෙක දෙන කලබල නෙමෙයි. මම ළමයි ඉතින් මොකද බේසික් කවුන්ට් වෙන නම්බර් දාලා ක්ලික් කරලා ඒ නම්බරේ පස්සේ දාගෙන ආයිතියේ මට බලන් ඉන්න බෑ නවදල්ලාම පවුල් කියලා ඉතින්. මම ඉන්නේ බලන්න. Now, according to my capacity, I did all with the beat number level. No, I'm not accepting my yeah. I will you will understand that last month then the past and come here in the next week 7 days just week Project activity over. Then the seminar kata overall jadi adalah aku ni kata lain ni. Saya kurang time ni kata kurang ni. Mama break kita kalau ni ada ni. Experience ni. Kurang kamu kita kali ni. Project kan kali. Oh exam ni because of ni not too. Exam ni because of that more project. Itu boleh nanti na. Kalau orang bilang 15 minit kali. Jadi kali itu tu. Kata tapi kalau di office-nya online beda. Offline itu beda. Kemudian kita bulan kita presentasi mengalami. Bila kita pulang masuk प्रॉब्लम को कभी कराने प्रॉब्लम में ये आउटपुट आते हैं बोलो आपके ऊपर जो सारी करना नवा बोलो कि आदि करना सर ने ये तो दिन दिन यार सर क्या करना है ना और ये काम है ये तीसरा कोऑर्डिनेट करना इसे इन्फॉर्म टू मी we will continue with this anyhow have to complete on this section, sir. Otherwise, I am rejecting and repeating. If the sections are repeating meaning, the sense you have to be present on the next section. No, actually, I am from today 8:30 to 8. Tomorrow 8 to 6. Monday I get the leave for university. Actually, we are going to interview the new ERP system. So I am one member. So I have to be participating from 8 and 4 of their vendors come and doing the demonstration. So we have to be see their features and comment them based on the TC or one TC. So continuously we teach. But anyway, we decide contact me. And I have a small time to from this tomorrow. From next week I have a small time to be available at Colombo in between the free time 10:30, 12:30, 3:30. The small break. One more to come and show you the repeat. Otherwise, professor saying that you have to be completed. Then shall we stop? Any other question? Yes, Buddha? Sorry. Remember? Look at here. Go to the inventory adjustment. Adjust inventory. 2023 April or any day. Put the what happened? Okay. Anyway, you go to the you select your company, then select the inventory item. No detail. Select the inventory item name, quantity you add. 10 quantity, 20 quantity, then record. Totally wrong. I'm not willing to teach that kind of scenario. For the examination purpose only. The practically told without purchase the item in the warehouse, manipulate the inventory. This is violation of accounting. Any other question?
There is no entry, no. Double entry है
नहीं डबल एंट्री नहीं उधर डबल एंट्री नहीं फॉरवर्ड अभी स्टॉक का उधर मैनिपुलेट करेगा अभी व्हाट इज इसको डाल दूंगा नेगेटिव स्टॉक के लिए
అంటే బ్యాలెన్స్ షీట్ టైట్ నవి ఇన్నది
अनेक वाली नवी है लेकिन इधर डबल एंट्री है स्टॉक का नया है तो फिजिकली है මේ රෙකෝඩ් එකක් දාගන්න උදේ මෙන්න කරන්න යන්න එපා PO එක දිහා බලලා අනිත් PO එක දාන්න 100 දිනවන 10 දාන්න එපා PO එකට කියලා ඒකයි මේ වෙන්නේ ඉන්වෙන්ටරි එකේ නැති ප්‍රමාණයට අපි සේල් ගන්න දෙන්නේ ඉන්නේ තමයි रिपोर्ट जनरेट करने होंगे रिपोर्ट जनरेट करने पेपर मांगे अबे वो जनरेट करने बाहर मैं क्लाउड पर रिपोर्ट लिए सेव करना देते क्लाउड दिया ये ना एक्सेल वाले एक लाइन में काट एक कंट्रोल सर्वर हैंडल करने का होता है stop the session